have it on my way.
안녕, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make Korean sausage stew, aka army-based stew, 부대찌개. After the Korean War, the 1950s, the food was scarce in South Korea. People living around the US Army bases made use of surplus foods from Army bases, commonly processed meat products such as sausage, spam, hot dogs, and along with canned baked beans. Although this dish was born in the period of post-war, this dish is still popular in Korea. Nowadays, people usually put tofu, kimchi, baked beans, sausage, spam, and instant noodles, ramyeon, and rice cake. It's pretty fun to pick the ingredients what I want. Okay, then let's set the table. First, I'm going to make a broth. Anchovy and kelp are in this packet. Put this in water and boil for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the packet. During the time, let's prepare the ingredients. Soak the rice cake in cold water for 10 minutes. Slice the onion thinly and cut the green onion diagonally. Chop the kimchi in small pieces. Cut tofu and canned ham in similar thickness and slice the sausage diagonally. After that, in a bowl, put minced beef and add soy sauce, minced garlic, and ground black pepper. Mix well. Then let's make a sauce. In a bowl, put red pepper paste, red pepper powder, soup soy sauce, minced garlic, and ground black pepper, and mix well. Okay, then preparation is over. In a pot, put onion, ham, sausage, tofu, rice cake, minced beef, kimchi, baked beans, and green onion. On the top, add the sauce. Move this on the stove and pour the broth on the edge. Bring to a boil over medium-high heat. When it boils, add instant noodles and boil for 3 minutes more. After that, put the sliced cheese on the top. Turn off the heat and lay the stew into the individual plate. Ooh, look at this cheese. It's melting. I gotta eat right now. First, I'm gonna taste noodles before it's soggy. Okay. Ooh. You know, instant noodles, we call this ramyeon, is always good. It never let me down. Okay, then let's try other ingredients with soup. Ham, sausage, It's so yummy. It's spicy enough, and as you know, ham and sausage are already seasoned, so they make this soup deeper and tastier. Tofu. And rice cake and tofu really go well with this stew. Sausage and ham are salty, but this tofu and rice cake have a mild taste, so they keep a balance. Today I made budae-jjigae. You can make it easily at home. If you like this recipe, then thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can find more recipes for Korean cuisine. See you next time. Bye. 안녕.